Hi, my name is Joshua Moore and I'm here to talk to you about how to shoot professional vertical video. Before you hit dislike because I said vertical video, I'm not talking about shooting on your phone and I'm not talking about mounting your camera sideways. I'm talking about a revolutionary hybrid method that allows you to shoot both horizontal and vertical video simultaneously and beautifully without a ton of editing work in post. So let's jump in. I have been scouring the internet trying to figure out this vertical video thing. What I found was not a lot. Before I give you my big secret on vertical video, let me just tell you why it works. So we can always shoot horizontal and then just do a center crop because that looks good, right? Of course, you can always get your camera, turn it sideways, which is optimal if you're making vertical only content. But if you ever want anything besides vertical, then now you got nothing, unless maybe you want to crop a horizontal out of your... So one of the things I'm learning is that you have to frame differently. 16 by 9 and 9 by 16 are very different. The vertical frame is about a third of your typical frame, so that leaves a lot to be desired in composition. Every shot becomes a shot closer in vertical. This nice medium shot becomes a close-up, because if you frame a great close-up in 16 by 9, it's going to look like this crazy squish thing in vertical. You have to back up a shot in order for your vertical crops to look good. So when you're framing a horizontal shot, you use that nice little rule of thirds, everything looks good, you go to make a vertical crop of that, and now you're like, I gotta pan and scan over, and things are looking funny, and it's too close. While vertical framing will use thirds, what it likes even better is center framing, which is different than horizontal framing. So we have to change the way that we frame to make good vertical video. So what I've done is tried to create a hybrid framing system, and I've tried lots of variations until I found the system that works. When you use this system, you're able to simultaneously create a very nice horizontal image and a very nice vertical image on your same camera, filming horizontally, so you still have both. And then in editing, you create your horizontal edit just like you always do, and then you copy that to a new sequence, a vertical sequence. Then you simply drop a transform preset on these vertical shots to make instant vertical video. And sure, you may tweak a few things here and there because, you know, we like to tweak things. But you don't have to sit there and pan and scan every shot and figure out, is it here, is it there, is it that? No, this looks good, no, that looks good. Are you ready for the secret? I give you the dual vertical framing guide. Very simple solution to the problem of how do I film horizontal and vertical shots that are both framed well at the same time. So look in the description for a link to an article where you can download this guide file and then use it on your own projects. So the system is based on the concept that we're going to shoot with the rule of thirds in horizontal video, but we're also center framing in vertical video, and we want to be able to do both simultaneously. So the trick is you're going to be able to visualize your vertical frame on either the right or the left side while filming. What you're doing is you're framing your vertical shot inside of either of the two vertical boxes, and these boxes happen to line up with the way you would shoot your horizontal frames anyway. So I hope this dual vertical framing guide that I've come up with is helpful. I know it's helped me. I hope it'll help you make better vertical videos, and I'd love to see what you come up with. I'd love to see the next iteration that someone comes up with that's maybe even better, so that we can make better and better vertical videos as this format develops. I'm Joshua Moore. Please subscribe and look forward to seeing you on our next video.